Sneaking out to the woods here. I'm on a piece of public land I haven't hunted in a very long time. Shot my first deer with a bow out here. Finally up in the tree. It's 3 o'clock. Saw a lot of good sign on the way out. A few rubs and scrapes coming through back here. There's a pretty good trail coming out of the woods right in front of me. About 40 yards. Wind's not the best, but where I really wanted to go was in the bigger woods back over here to my east. But there was already 2 trucks there, so hunting off some beans here. Nice enough for the DNR to come in here and plant some food for these deer. So we're hoping they come out here and eat tonight. It's just glass in here. There's some just scrub brush over there, it looks like. 2 or 3 good rubs along that line there, so there's deer out here, there's a lot of sign. Well, it's been an interesting last half hour. No deer activity so far. Had behind me here, way back here, there's a bunch of CRP, and so the best thing that could happen is a pheasant hunter walk by. Shot twice, missed. I saw the pheasant come flying over here. Thank God he didn't decide to chase after it. And then now I got the guy combining the field just north of me. About 300 yards away. It's cold. Not feeling too hopeful tonight. It's public land, man. It's hard. It ain't easy. Well, we'll just stick it out to the end. That's all I can do. That was disappointing. That was so disappointing. I don't even know what to do now. 5 o'clock. And we just had a pheasant hunter walk all the way across the bean field. What do you do? That's public hunting. Well, Mr. Pheasant Hunter came back again. He probably walked 60 yards from me. His dog was right under my stand. Too late to tear down and go to a new spot, so there's a lot of deer sign over here, so I'll just sit the rest of the evening and just see if anything does come through. Not too hopeful anymore. Gotta love pheasant hunters, huh? Alright. We're getting ready to wrap it up. No deer came out to the beans. Unfortunately, we had that pheasant hunter come by and kind of botched the whole hunt for us. I felt pretty good about this spot. I mean, I saw a lot of deer sign coming in. I'm just set up off 2 trails coming out to these beans. I think I'll eventually come back here and try it again, but we got Minnesota has their firearms opening up next weekend, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Kind of tempted to get a slug license and see if I can do it that way. I've always wanted to take a slug gun and go hunting with it, so anyways, I'm gonna sit tight for about 15 more minutes, and if anything shows up, I'll try to get some footage of it. Otherwise, we're gonna sneak out of here and call it a night. Go back to the house and warm up a bit. Alright, thanks for watching, and stick with me. I'm gonna get it done at some point this year. Alright, thanks.